The Senate Judiciary Committee is set for a more intense day of confirmation hearings for Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett. The appeals court judge laid out her conservative approach to the law yesterday in her opening statement. Republicans praised her credentials, while Democrats called the hearings a sham and predicted that Barrett would lead the high court in a radical new direction. Nancy Cordes is covering the hearings on Capitol Hill for us. Nancy, good morning to you. What's happening today?
Good morning. Well, today is round one of questioning, and each of the 22 senators on the committee will get a half an hour to grill Judge Barrett. So she could be on the hot seat for more than 11 hours today before a follow-up round tomorrow, fielding tough questions about abortion, the election, and Obamacare.
So help you God.
Today's endurance test will pit Judge Barrett against 10 Senate Democrats who regard her nomination as an illegitimate power grab by the president and his party.
I think this hearing is a sham.
With remarkable unity, Democrats made it clear yesterday they plan to focus on the roughly 20 million Americans who could lose coverage if a 6-3 Supreme Court overturns Obamacare.
For years, Barrett put off going to the doctor because he was, like many Americans, afraid he could not afford it. But when the Affordable Care Act was passed, he finally got the coverage he could afford.
The committee's 12 Republicans will be far friendlier.
I think you're a great choice by the president.
Yesterday, they praised Barrett's resume, her temperament, and her conservative judicial philosophy.
You are a brilliant jurist and a constitutional law expert.
Barrett does have some experience with this. She fielded questions from the same committee during her federal appeals court confirmation in 2017.
When you read your speeches, the conclusion one draws is that the dogma lives loudly within you.
There would be no opportunity to be a no vote on Roe, and as I said to the committee, I would faithfully apply all Supreme Court precedent.
Republicans warned Democrats not to bring up Barrett's faith this time.
When you tell somebody that they're too Catholic to be on the bench, when you tell them they're going to be a Catholic judge, not an American judge, that's bigotry.
Thank you very much.
The ongoing pandemic looms over this hearing. Utah's Mike Lee, who tested positive after Barrett's Rose Garden ceremony last month, appeared in person yesterday, removing his mask to speak. Senator Ted Cruz, who was exposed to Lee, appeared remotely, as did Democratic VP nominee Kamala Harris, who did so as a precaution.
This committee has ignored common sense requests to keep people safe, including not requiring testing for all members, despite a coronavirus outbreak among senators of this very committee.
Democrats have made it clear that they're going to steer clear of questioning Judge Barrett about her religion this time around. Plus, they think that Obamacare, health care more broadly, is the best focus. It was the #1 issue to voters back in 2018. They think it's going to be a big issue in 2020. As far as Republicans are concerned, they are still hoping, Anthony, that they can get this judge confirmed to the Supreme Court 1 week before Election Day.
All right, Nancy, it's going to be close.